To know more about the new Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines pageant, let us call the Managing Director of Oriental Beauty Philippines Charities Incorporated, Mr. McCoy Manlapas, for his welcome speech.
Thank you, Sir Alex. Hello, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Masyadong formal, no? Di ako sanay. Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone for coming. Sa ating mga kaibigan sa media, sa ating press for being here. We have our guests, si Direk June, si Direk Primo, nandito din. Ano yun si Ma'am Erin? Wala pa, no? Si Ma'am Erin, ating isa sa mga sponsors. Actually, nag-prepare ako ng speech pero hindi yata ako ready sa speech. Gusto ko na lang yata kayong kausapin. Unang-una po, gusto naming magpasalamat ng aking partner na si Miss JM. Before we come up with Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines, I think a lot of you already knew about JM Pageantry Innovations and Golden Events Management. And we actually started 10 years ago. 2014 when we started both our businesses, hindi pa kami magkakilala noon. Parang nag-email pa lang kami noon. Kasi ako umu-order ako ng sash, ng crowns, ng mga trophies sa kanya sa mga dinidire kong pageant. And that's when we started our journey. Mahabang journey, syempre hindi na natin yan iisa-isahin kasi hindi naman to pang MMK na event, no? Pero that started our journey this afternoon. Imagine 10 years, Golden celebrated our 10th year anniversary last month, and JM Pageantry will be celebrating December. So this year, we are celebrating our 10th year anniversary. So kaya kami may cake. So bukod sa Miss Pearl of the Orient, we're also celebrating our first decade in the industry. So I don't think JM Pageantry Innovations and Golden Events Management will be successful without the help of people like you. Media, suppliers, LGUs, corporate companies na nagtiwala sa amin. When we started 10 years ago, both of us, meron kaming day jobs. But we left our day job because of our business/passion, and that is because of you. Because of all the people involved in the pageantry. Kasi kung hindi namin iniwan ang work namin, kaya namin iniwan yung aming day job is because we already saw that there is a beautiful life ahead for us in this pageant industry. So, maraming salamat kasi in a way, binuhay nyo kami. Kasi kung hindi kami buhay, malamang day job pa rin kami. Parang ginabalance, parang sige pageant tayo, parang day job pa rin tayo. 9 to 5 job. Pero we are so glad na tinulungan nyo kami sa aming journey. And now we are going to another journey, which is Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines pageant. A lot of people would think that when you are part of the pageant industry, you would think na, oh sige magpa-pageant ka, you are a trainer, magpa-pageant ka, oh you're a director, magpa-pageant ka, may gumagawa ka ng crown, pa-pageant ka. Pero it took us 10 years before we finally said, JM, mukhang ito na yata ang time. And Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines was born. And we are so glad that we are sharing this momentous event, April 21st, 2024, because this is going to be our first day that we can say, kahit na gusto lang magpaka-humble, that we are now, we say it now, that we are now a pageant owner. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. And hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy po yung supporta nyo sa amin. We are not a big pageant. This is something that we talk about, we discuss na let's just skip the words extravagant, this is the most prestigious, whatever, blah, 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 just for the sake of the script or the sake of posting something on our social media or caption. We are just here following our passion. We didn't ask our franchise holders. As of the moment, we are running like 28 or 29 franchise holders, and we didn't ask for franchise fees from these local organizations and local or LGU pageants to be part of Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines, because I guess money is important for us. Kasi yun nga, sabi ko, ito yung bumubuhay sa amin, but it is not the topmost priority. Our priority is really, we love what we are doing. I think most of you can guarantee that when you see the products of JM Pageantry Innovations, and when you see the pageants that Golian is producing and organizing, you will see the passion in there. And we want to translate that to our own baby, which is Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines. And maraming salamat. I know that you have a lot of questions, mamaya sasagutin namin. We are going to try to answer that. Thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoy this afternoon. Thank you.